They are pigeon fanciers. We all know about the young bird disease. This disease, appearing in 90s, created maybe the biggest problem in the pigeon sport since this sport was invented. We all know the symptoms. Young bird dying very quickly, big rate of mortality, seasons destroyed, and a lot of work and hope which disappear over the night. In the last decades, vets tried to find a solution for this disease, and one of the solutions is the vaccination against rotavirus and herpes virus, which bring a big help in the pigeons' loft. But in the meantime, we need to focus in our lofts to our pigeons to increase their immunity and to give them the right supplements who help them to build a strong immunity, which are able to fight with this disease, which are able to fight together with the vaccines to protect our pigeons in the maximum way possible. This is the reason why we create Adenocoli Natura. This is a result of the years of studies on the plants to bring the best solution for protecting the pigeons, to help them to increase the immunity and to work on their digestive system to be able to fight against the young bird disease. These products contain oregano, thyme, garlic, turmeric, cinnamon and fennel, plus charcoal. This combination of the plants create a very special product who help the pigeons to fight against the young bird disease, help them to increase the immunity and act like a natural antibiotic in the intestine of the pigeons. These plants are very famous, are very good, but when we put it together, they become 10 times stronger and give us one of the most effective pigeon products for the young bird disease problem from the history of the pigeon sport. Now we have a very good and natural solution to help your pigeons, to protect them against this unbelievable disease. I will show you now how you have to prepare it. We put it over the grains and we use garlic oil. Why garlic? Because we need more natural antibiotics in the intestine of the pigeons to help them to increase the immunity, but in the meantime to have the ability to fight against the development of Escherichia coli, which is one of the biggest problems of the young bird disease. So let's do it. We put around 5 milliliters of garlic oil over 1 kg of feed and around 5 grams of Adenocoli Natura over the feed. And then we mix it very well, and we get a perfectly coated grains for the pigeons, covered with 100% natural products, which will help them to build immunity and to fight against the young bird disease. Let's see how the pigeons will eat it.